Are you wanting to say hello to everybody? This is little Luke. This is Grandma's grandson. And we're going to read Goodnight, Goodnight construction site.
Please tell me you didn't do it again. Good, you didn't do it again.
Goodnight, Goodnight construction site. Ooh.
Snuggle?
Ooh, look at those big pictures. And I'll show everybody else the picture when we've read the book, okay?
I love you, my son.
Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. Do you see all the trucks? All right, let's see if we can show them the trucks. See the picture of all the trucks and the construction site? All right. The sun was set. The work was done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. See the pictures? Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. And there's the crane truck, setting down the beam. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight. Sigh, then cuddles up and says goodnight. Shh, goodnight, crane truck, goodnight. There's the crane truck, all going to sleep. You see him? He's going to sleep. He says, shh, good night. Spinning, churning all day long. Cement mixers sing his whirly song. Now, yawn, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. Do you like this story? Huh? Do you like it? It's a good story, isn't it? I love you. All right, let's show the pictures. Do you see the pictures? You see the picture? Oh, he's so tired. He dumps his load, and now he's ready to go home. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, turns off his light. He cuts his engine, he slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh, good night, cement mixer, good night. And there's the cement mixer. And he is ready to close down. He's cleaning off, and then he's down for the night. You're a good little reading buddy, Luke. Do you see yourself on there? Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap, crunch. Now Dump Truck's tired and wants to sleep. Did you know, little Luke, that your great-great-granddaddy used to drive a dump truck? And he used to dump it in a site just like this. Isn't that cool? A little bit of history. There is the dump truck, and there he is dumping all of his load. He lowers his bed and locks his gate, rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his light, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night. There's a man and he's saying, "Hey, pipe down." See the dump truck all asleep? And listen to his snores. They go zzz, they get bigger and bigger. The other guy says, "Pipe down." Pushing with his mighty blade, Bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy. Are you sleepy, little one? There he is. The bulldozer's working so hard, but now he's sleepy too. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, Bulldozer. Good night. There's Mr. Bulldozer. You see him? He's going to sleep in his nice soft bed. There's Mr. Luke. Hello, Luke. Do you see your face on the picture? I love you, Luke. I love you. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. Arrgh! But now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig, and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. Okay, so this is the excavator. Look at all those little holes he's dug. And there's little Luke. Do you want to touch it? Yeah, you can touch it. Oh, there you go. Ah, you think that's pretty cool, huh? All right, let's turn the page. Yawn! He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches its back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh! Good night, excavator. Good night. There he is, getting so sleepy. He's covering his yawn with his big scoop, and there he is, going fast asleep. What do you see, Mr. Luke? What do you see? These big, big trucks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough, so proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks, your backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. And there's the picture of all the trucks all throughout the yard. And they're all going fast, asleep. And this is Grandma Carla. I had a wonderful time visiting with all of my grandbabies, and now I'm back at work. So I love you, and we will see you again soon.